PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional ductless mini-split installation in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, offering an energy-efficient solution for heating and cooling individual rooms or entire homes. Ductless mini-split systems are ideal for spaces without traditional ductwork, home additions, or areas that need improved temperature control. Our skilled technicians help you choose the right system and ensure precise installation for optimal performance and efficiency. These systems provide quiet operation, better energy savings, and customizable comfort. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for expert ductless mini-split installation that enhances indoor comfort while improving energy efficiency throughout your property. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a ductless mini-split installation near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Where can ductless mini-split systems be installed? Mini-split systems are ideal for additions, basements, garages, or homes without ductwork. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning installs ductless mini-split systems in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania to provide targeted comfort in specific areas. Do ductless mini-split systems provide both heating and cooling? Yes, many ductless mini-split systems offer both heating and cooling capabilities. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania installs systems that provide year-round comfort for homeowners. What is your service office for ductless mini-split installation? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our local ductless mini-split installation Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashfats.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/